Hello, welcome back to American Roots Farm. My name is Jessica, and today I'm going to be showing you, I need to get something going on with this cucumber plant. It's kind of out of control, and I've discovered that there is something eating my yellow mellow beans. So I need to get in here and harvest those beans and prune this cucumber. So I hope that maybe today we can go through and maybe we'll find something that's eating it. Maybe not. We'll find out. So as you can see, I have a lot of thick foliage up in here, and I really need to get in there and thin that out. All right, so I've been working out here for about an hour and I'm already hot and sweaty. The sun is just really warm today. I think the high is like 105. So I'm gonna show you what I got done. I went in and trimmed any of the foliage that just looked extra. I can actually see light hitting the bottom of the bed. That's good. I probably have some more work to do. I'm gonna bring in some stakes and maybe trellis this up a little bit. I also went in over around here. These were where my purple beans were, and I harvested some and cut them back. This is my first year growing purple pod beans, and I didn't really know what to expect. The leaves started looking really like eaten and dry and like they needed to be trimmed. So I went ahead and pruned some of them and ended up cutting back some of the stalks, but I noticed that there's still areas that are like giving us flowers. So I'm gonna go ahead and wait and see what it does. Again, my first year, I wanna learn as much as I can. I did have a good couple handfuls of purple pod beans that I harvested. I might mix those with the Mellow Yellow and try canning them, preserving them. Pretty exciting. So thanks for joining me today as I pruned back my plant in the Arizona summer heat. Leave me a description in the comments of what exactly it is that you grow and what's the hottest that it gets in the areas that you are. I'd like to hear where you're growing things and what we can do to team up and start to learn from each other. I appreciate you sticking around. Until next time.